material URL, you know already, github.com. Yeah, that is the one. Excellent. Can you please add this to the favorites? This URL, can you add to the favorites? That is the one. Whatever window is there, that URL I am seeing, that is the one. Enter. Now, you open the browser, right? Already URL is available. Click enter, enter. And Angela? No. Browser you opened, right? Google Chrome. Yeah. Click on that. Already you clicked on it. In the browser, already I'm seeing the URL. You are seeing the URL, right? No. Yeah. Open the Google Chrome.
Can she share her screen with everyone? Because I don't see anything.
Is it? Lawrence, please go on video off. Go on video off. Yeah. That's best. Now, no, I think you stop. You did not stop with the video. There is a stop button of video is available. You have to stop it.
Okay, hold on. Let me go there. There's hold on.
Okay. Now,
10 camera off, right? You want that?
I think she left from the bridge. Looks like Angela left from the bridge. Okay. Tanaka, can you share your screen?
Share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. So what am I sharing? Desktop or window?
Entire desktop.
Okay. Do you see it?
Yep, I'm able to see it. Now, okay, this is the URL where you need to go. Can you please add this URL to the favorites? Because down the line, we are going to use this.
Okay, this right here?
Yeah, add the favorites. That is extensions actually. There is a 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. No. Yeah, bookmarks actually. But that URL is changed now.
Oh.
Now open the Power BI window first. I mean to say GitHub. No.
Which one?
The same window. Type whatever URL I am saying it. GitHub.
Oh, okay. GTab.
GIT. No, GIT. Previously, you copied from the chart, right? Same thing, actually.
Yeah. Okay, let me do that.
Yeah, that is the best. Copy that. Paste here. Yeah, enter from the keyboard. Now this one add to the favorite. There is no star mark is there, right? Star mark. Star in the same URL. Star. Yes, you are the one. Click on the add bookmark. Now here we'll properly organize it. So go to the more button. There is a more, M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. Yeah. We'll create one folder. Inside the folder, we'll keep it. Click on the new folder and name it as ITEC Power BI. Just something like that. Name it ITEC, our company name, then followed by ITEC. ITEC. Just Power BI, write it. Just write Power BI. That's
okay.
Enter. Yeah.
Should I do the same?
Yeah. Everyone do same. Yeah. Click on save. Now this is our material actually. Okay. This is our material. Always every day you have to come to this page first and you have to open the material. Now go to the notebooks. Yeah, like that you have to open tomorrow notes. Click on the notebooks. Then we are teaching the chapter called as, now second chapter we have to move, PBI0102 we have to move. 0101 is completed. We are moving on to the 0102. We are moving on. Okay, this one we have to start and we have to learn about it. But What happened to Angela? Angela left from the bridge. Anyone has her contact?
Yeah, I'll try. I have a contact.
Okay. Can you please do that?
Okay.